Welcome back. Turns out to be a pretty nice day today. Who had rain in July on their bingo card? I didn't. All right, job today. Get this panel in place. There's a exact spot where this actually panel does fit. I was at Chickasha Industrial today and they did not have any more metal without me buying a whole sheet. So I'm hoping I can get this just exactly in the right spot. Takes two hands, but I know there's a spot where it covers up both sides and I can get it all in place. Trick, holding it in place while I tack weld the sides to the rest of the truck. You see here, I've got a little bit of gap there, so I can slide this over just enough. And there we go. We still got a little bit of shaping to do over here, and I'm not quite sure how we're going to accomplish that yet. But I need to get this closer. But that's it. I've got an idea. I'm not sure it's going to work, but I'm going to try it. And you'll see it when I get the shot lined up. That's what we're going to do. All right. Let's do some crazy stuff. Yes, that's a 50-pound bag of sand. What's better than holding a panel in place than a 50-pound bag of sand? Well, a 60-pound bag of sand maybe, or an 80-pound bag of sand. But it's gonna work, so let's do that. All right, so first job, let's get the primer off from around our weld zone, and we'll do that with the wire wheel, because we only have one shot at this, and if it fails, we got to go build a new panel. So not excited about that. Let's not do it. Let's just make this one work. Okay, let's do some welding. That shot sucks.
2 hours later.
Okay, you missed a bunch of that because I was struggling to get it done, and I was worried about it working, but I actually got it. It's pretty close. There's some gaps that I'm gonna have to sort out. So most of this is well. This is pretty sketchy up here. So I've got some more work to do here. Then this gap here, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. I think I'm gonna put a big heavy weight on this side and hammer from the back side. That might be a terrible idea, but that's what I'm probably gonna do. There's a gap here where this seam didn't sit. I'm trying to fill it, it's doing okay. And then this corner down here, there's gonna be a little bit more work in here. But the bottom of this is gonna be where the waterproofing is really happening. This is just primarily to keep the panel in place so that it doesn't fly up whenever I hit something. So that's the gist of it. It's not terrible hot, it's nice. The temperature is good, so, and I got a fan behind me, so I'm not getting overheated. Big concern today though. But yeah, all right, so we're gonna let this cool. Welds are still cooling. It burned the crap out of the end of my finger. And then we'll come back and take a look at what we can do. I may need to go get my grandson to have him hold the weight that I need so I can hit on it. I gotta check and see if he's got anything going on right now. So that's pretty much it for right now. We'll come back here in a few minutes when I've got a new plan. So let's call it for a second. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
All right, put it in there.
Same spot.
Same spot. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's check it, let's check it, let's check it.
Now, I'm 11 years old. We were actually doing the checkup for my brain, and they
I can't figure it out! All right, do it again. I want to concentrate on this spot right here.
Okay.
Put it in there. And I'm going to try to pinch that one corner over there. Oh, why that's not participating. Crap. Maybe it's probably this. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Better?
I don't know what I'm looking for.
What you looking for? Oh. Okay. Much better. Let's call it good. I couldn't have done it without you, buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
No problem, buddy.
cancer makes me feel angry. Doesn't make me
You ready to go back home?
Yeah.
All right, we're going back home. Okay. That was fun. I always love having Grady over to help me out. His nickname is Thumbtack because a couple years ago he was over at a friend's house and did something really stupid involving putting a thumbtack in his mouth, and he swallowed it. So the doctors had to go get it through his esophagus into his stomach. So his nickname now is Thumbtack. He's not happy about it, but that is his nickname. So. Oh, turn some gas on. Welds aren't sticking because there ain't no gas. gas weren't on. I wonder those welds are crap. Ugh. Oh, that sounds better. How does that look? All right. No, it's terrible, but it's going to be what we're going to do. We got to do it. It's got to be the way it is. This is brutal over here. I'm going to grind these down and then weld over them again. That sure indicates where the welds didn't stick. Got piles of welds down here that didn't stick. Lovely. Lovely. That's just great. All right, let's do some more welding. Yay, welding. Let's put the right mask on, because you know what happens when you don't have the right mask. Okay, how's that look? Good enough. Good enough for government work. Got a rivet there, but that's a hole. I gotta fix that. Let's fix that. My half moon thing right there where I patched another hole once. Okay, somebody remind me in the future not to buy another GoPro camera. Their overheating problems are stupid, and I'm pretty confident that I won't ever buy another one. Just too inconvenient. I know there's other cameras on the market now. Everybody's making stuff. They're all made in China. I think I can get out of not buying one made in China. So, unfortunately, we're gonna need another camera at some point in the near future. Next year, maybe year after. And it won't be a GoPro. Nope. All right, we're there. Okay. Floor's in. Duh. Yes, I know. So excited. So are you, I can tell. So seam sealer like crazy. I was underneath with the light on it, and there's holes. There's definitely light getting through. Also, back in this corner, behind all of this fun bit, is the corner of the panel covered up by an exhaust. And the transmission tunnel had rubber on it, and when I welded to it, it melted it and pieces came off, and that's bare steel. Remember when I said one job creates two jobs? So job number 2 is going to be dropping the exhaust at some point in the future, getting all the grease and oil and crap off of the transmission tunnel, getting all of the rubber back on the transmission tunnel, and covering all the metal so I don't get rust. Yay! That's all I got for today though. So it turned out that it's moderately warm in here today. And of course, if it rained today, and you can see there's still clouds. Clouds are up there. It's gonna be, you can imagine its humidity is in the 80s or closer to 90s maybe. So it's very warm. That's all I got for this week. We're gonna wrap it up. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. I've been chatting with some of you online. I love it. It's a great time. I wish some of you had better contact points. I'm speaking to you, Tumbleweed Garage. If you had an email, send it to me. My email's easily found. Send me an email message. I'd appreciate it. I want to send you something. So that's all I got. You're doing a great job on your 48 Jeep pickup truck, Willys pickup truck, whatever it is. You're doing a great job, and I really enjoy your videos. All right, shout out to Tumbleweed Garage, and that's all we're gonna have for this week. Thanks, and I'll see you next week. Where is the camera off?